Hi guys, hello YouTube. How are you doing? I'm fine. I'm doing great. I'm doing fine. How are you? Yeah, so without further ado, let's jump into this video. Let me share with you things that you should know, or rather you should consider before coming to KSA. Yeah, that's right. So what are your expectations? Don't put your okay, it's a warning and it's a beautiful journey. Yeah, don't put your expectation high. Don't lower your expectation. Just be there, just be you. Okay. And so number one, yes, I know about the money, yeah. Are you coming here because of the money, or are you coming here to work? Because if you're coming here for money, then for some people it may be a problem. Yeah, because the work is too much than the money. But don't be scared about that. Don't be scared. I don't want you to be scared. Yeah, but you should ask yourself. Yeah, I know people come because of money. Even me. Yeah. So ask yourself that. Number two, let's talk about the language barrier or other communication. Don't expect too much. Don't expect too much. Okay. Like, don't expect English. Okay. Wait. Okay, there's some people who know English, but majority don't. So just come and you will learn. If you are a quick learner, you will learn. And as you learn, you will be. You know what I mean? Sign language is the key for you. As you learn, and you will learn through people, or rather, you will learn through what is it called? YouTube. You can watch it there and learn it, but yeah, you will learn it there. So don't be afraid because of language barrier. No, don't. Okay, now let's talk about the duties or the contract. I just want to tell you that whatever you read in your contract, just read it there and leave it there. Don't expect what was written in your contract to find it in whatever you are going to work in the house, because things are different in the ground. People, things are really different in the ground. Yeah, for some people, whatever is written there is what you will get. Yeah, but for some people, they may have 10 kids and they will write there they have 2 kids and parents. If you get there, you will be shocked. You will find a big family and you are the one to care for them. Yeah. And in the same contract, they will tell you that maybe you will come as a cleaner. They will never tell you you will do everything. Okay? Don't stick to that. Don't stick to that. Because when you come here, you will do everything. I'm not saying to all, but it depends. It depends. It depends. You may find a big house, you may be 2 house help, 3 house help. It depends with the boss that you find. Yeah. Okay, now let's go to number 3. Let's talk about the bosses. Who is your boss? Who is your boss as house help? Your boss is the female one. The madam is your boss. Whether the father, whether the man is paying you or whatever is paying you, but your main focus is the madam of the house. Why? Because the house just belongs to the woman, so you are there to help the woman. So no, you can't be free with the man. You must be free with the mama. No matter what your problem, you must forward to them. It's a boundary between you and the woman, because don't play with don't play with their man. You are dead. Don't play with your man. You are dead, baby. You are dead. Okay. Yeah, so let's talk about the house. No small houses. First and foremost, don't expect to find a small house like a squatter house. No, don't expect like a 1 bedroom house. Like, sometimes we work in Kenya in a bedroom house couple, and you are there and you are working for them, and they will pay you some 5,000. Okay? Don't expect that. You might find a 10 bedroom house with 8 sitting rooms, and each of them they have toilets on that bedroom. Left the outside bathroom, whatever. So don't expect a small house. Expect a castle. Okay? Expect a castle. Expect a castle. Yeah, I think that is it. You will know more about this thing the next video. And please, 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 I'm begging you, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, share, support me. I have so many stories to tell you guys, so let me wrap this video without further ado. Let me wrap it. I love you guys. I love you. Please subscribe.